Hello kids, how are you all? I'm back for you. Okay, it's for the start of fourth and this video section, and its subject is EVS, Environmental Study. Okay, so now we are on the chapter number 22, Patoda. Okay, so let's we learn about the government book NCERT book. Okay, so it's related to chapter number 22 Patoda. Okay, and the subject is EVS Environmental Studies. Okay, so Patoda. Okay, we know about these things. Okay, Patoda means it's one type of sari which printed. Okay, which printed. Which famous. Okay, which one famous from the pattern. Okay, patterns Patoda. Okay, so now we learn detail about this chapter. Okay, Patoda means it's most of the clothes are made from the different types of fabrics, just like cottons, wool, silks, denim, nylon, then larylan, polyester, jute, etc. Okay, so it's a one type of and cotton we can use mostly used in cotton in our clothes. Okay, so cotton clothes is obtained from cotton and cotton yarn and or thread. Okay, first they make a thread. Okay, and they weave that, and then after they become some designs there the specific design. Okay, the specific design, the specific culture, the specific weaving thread. They some add some colors, some add some thread work, some add some stone work, some add some jadosi work. So it's made different just like that. So in ancient time, many different places are known as famous for their various types of things. Okay, so just like there is include a Patoda. Okay, Patoda is famous from Patan. Okay, then Malmal is from Dhaka. Then the shawls from Kullu. Okay, it's a Madhubani works just like that. Okay, Madhubani works paintings, Madhubani paintings. Okay, silk from Assam. Okay, embroidery work from Kashmir, famous from Kashmiri embroidery work, famous from Kutch embroidery work. Okay, Bandhani from Jaipur. Okay, then Banarasi sari from Banaras, and some Bengali sari. Okay, just like Bangalore sari. Okay, just they are famous from Bangalore. Okay, so it's famous for their special things. Okay, the various things. So various types of fabrics. It's made from different fabrics. They use the different fabrics. Just like it's a modern word. Okay, nowadays we use many modern clothes. So some clothes made from wool, silk, denim, nylon, tarlatan, polyester, jute. Okay, etc. They use for that. So each and every fabric has a different colors. Okay, there are different colors there. So clothes are made very colorful. And nowadays, it's the material are different, the work are different, the color are different, the design also different. Okay, we are various types of print. Okay, various types of print, some specific design, some specific work there. Okay, so it is printed on our clothes. So the lot of ancient weaving. Okay, nowadays. Okay, patterns Patoda. Okay, we are the chapter number 22 is related to Patoda. Okay, nowadays it's very disappear this work. Okay, we don't know about Patoda. Okay, so it's a chapter related to patoda, and nowadays not looked this type of clothes. So it's a very precious work. It's a very precious work made by this their special worker. Okay, so now we are going to detail on this chapter. So we know the famous song of that Chelaji re mari hatu patanthi patoda muka lavjo. Means it's a famous ancient song that, and the famous it's a famous for the this patodas. Okay, so nowadays it's a make from a mulberry silk. Okay, and because of it's bring from the market, and they make a thread of them, and they used to made into a grip. Okay, grip means it's a one type of crisscross manner. Okay, they used to wrap that, and their design thread is the tied thereafter. Okay, so which is called nowadays a bandhani. Okay, they make they made a very fast color. Okay, they make some dyeing, then after they are dyeing. Okay, the mulberry silk mostly a white color, so they used many fast color. Okay, just like a red, dark blue, dark green, yellow. Okay, it's a look like it's a very colorful manner. Then we look when we see this sari, when we see this work. Okay, it's a very good in looking. So it's a very hard work from them. Okay, they are they make a thread, then they put in a crisscross manner. Means they put they make a grid, then they tied there, then after they are doing they use the color. Okay, they are tied there, then they dyeing this clothes. Okay, so this grid is a very fast color. Okay, so now the change the now the three is not change the color, it is not change the color. Okay, if many years then you can use that many years, but there is some saying of Gujarati that padi patode bhat phate pan phite nahi. Means it's if you are means it's they use the color which is very fast. If clothes destroy that, but it's not change the color. Okay, so in this preparation of padoras, very care and the very patience work. Okay, so nowadays there is a special skill for weaving, the special skill for designing, special skill for dyeing also. So it's a very hard work for them, and it's because of they take us minimum 6 months for that. Okay, so and some mulberry silks. Okay, it's made from mulberry silk, which is very costly. So the patoda is sold in very high rate. So most of the people do not use this, but it's many years ago there is a 700 families to connected of this handicraft, but nowadays only 3 families keep this handicraft. So it's nowadays many people have left their this occasion. So because of that nowadays we cannot find some pure bandhani, some pure patodas. Okay, so it's a very ancient culture. Okay, very ancient culture in our Gujarat state. Okay, so it's a very famous for that. So we will try to buy this clothes and use it there. Okay, it's a very famous for them. So The chapter number 22 Patoda is over. Then after we are on the chapter number 23 home and abroad. Okay. Then we are on the chapter number 23 home and abroad. Okay. So home and abroad. Okay, we are living in India's country, and which is India is located in Asia continent, and there is many countries just like China, Sri Lanka, then Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, United Arab Emirates. Okay, the Europe means it's United Arab Emirates. We can say it's a short name of it's UAE. Okay, UAE, and are also a part of this continent. Okay, Asia. So various countries of United we are on the home and abroad. Then we are going on a detail to know about the UAE. UAE means the United Arab Emirates. Then various countries of the United Arab Emirates, UAE, and Pakistan are located to the west of India, okay, west sides of India, and Abu Dhabi is the main capital of the UAE. Okay, and this country UAE, it's located in there is only desert area. Okay, desert land means that it's a very hot here. So there is if you go there, there is a you can see only sand there, and these countries get very scanty rainfall. So there is no river, there is no lake, means there is no water. In short, the water is very costly. Okay, water is very precious there. Okay, so because of that there is always water scarcity. Okay, so only sand. Okay, only sand is found in these countries there. Okay, however there is an unending deposits of oil. Okay, because of under this sand. Okay, so the petrol is cheaper than water. Okay, so water is very costly and the petrol is very cheaper. So these countries earn a lot of money from by the exporting the oil to other countries. Okay, and India's currency, now we can say it's rupees. Okay, rupees of the India's currency. But in UAE we know it's dirham. Dirham is the currency of the UAE. Okay, United Arab Emirates. So this the main language of this UAE is Arabic language. Since this countries is very famous. Okay, so there is a lots of rich people. Okay, and because of there is a mostly petrol wells, means oil wells. So they buy money from petrol. Okay, so and there is we can say there is a lots of big buildings. Okay, very high buildings there. So and in these buildings the atmospheric of this country mostly are hot. Okay, because there is no rainfall, there is no trees. Okay, it means there is no any because we cannot find any greenery and any trees there. Only some date palm. Okay, date plants we can find there. So we can say it's a kalpavruksha of this kalpavruksha of these countries. Okay, the United Arab Emirates. Okay, UAE. So only date palms grow in these countries. Okay, so the date palm is known as the kalpavruksha of means the magical tree. Okay, the kalpavruksha means the magical tree of these deserts. and these are very there is a very tall buildings there, okay, made of which is made of glass in Abu Dhabi and UAE, okay. The since it is very hot in this area because it's mostly a desert area, so the most of the houses have a air conditioner, okay. So ever it is hot, so there is a mostly a air conditioner, and due to excessive of heat, the people of wear mostly a cotton cloth, just only white clothes, okay. And this is very due to the expressive heat, the people of this country mostly wear loose cotton clothes, okay, and mostly they wear white colors, okay. They do not wear a very tight clothes, okay, and they wear this clothes is very light weighted, okay, and which is because of the heat of these areas, okay. And cotton clothes are the white in color, okay, and even they cover their head also because of the heat, okay. So since these countries are mostly a desert, okay, so sand is found everywhere, so the between any two cities, okay, so are the neither any trees there, so only date palms there. So it's a country, means it's a country UAE, okay, United Arab Emirates, there UAE. It's a very precious there, okay. The many things, just like there is we can find there is a oil, we can find there is a gold also. So this country is very famous for that, okay. So nowadays we can say home, this chapter is 23 home and abroad is over, okay. We know about this country, okay, UAE, okay, which is the very famous for their oil refineries, okay. So now the both chapter is 22 Patoda and the chapter number 23, okay, home and abroad is over. Thank you.